My name is Achola. I come from Pallisa District, Agule County, Kameke Sub-County, Komolomaga Parish. I got to know Gudie Leisure Farm through Parish Chief. In our Aquaculture Department, I've learned about aquaculture value chain, which includes hatching of the fingerlings, marketing, transporting, and consuming. We get the male gamete, then we mix with that one of a female, and we take to the hatchery for 24 hours. Then after that, we now transfer to another pond. We have to go egg stage, then from egg fry stage, then from there fingerling, then from there juvenile, then from there table size. Those are the stages. Apart from aquaculture, I've learned how to interact with friends. Again, I learned about business compliance. When I go back home, I'll start training other youth on how to start aquaculture business.